Now that everything is set, let's go ahead and customize our website. So to start, I click on Customize. So I'll go to top bar and then General. The link color, I make it FFA 500. Awesome. Now I go to Content. I want to display my email address. Then I'll also add my phone number. Now I want to add an envelope icon for email and then phone icon for phone number. So to do that, I go to fontawesome.com, enter. Then under search, I search for envelope, enter. Then I'll choose this one right here by clicking on it. So this is the code for the envelope. I just click on it to copy it. I go back to my customizer, and in here, before the email address, I paste it, and then the envelope will appear. I provide space, and then I do the same thing for phone number. So I go back to Font Awesome. I enter phone. Now I grab this by clicking on it. Then I just click on the code to copy it. I go back to my customizer. Then in here, I paste. Then I provide space. Now I want to change the color to my orange color I'm using on my website. So I'll come in here, in between the colon and the greater than sign. I provide space. Then I enter style is equal to, then I bring double inverted commas. Then inside it, I enter color, then colon, space, and I type in my color code. So hashtag FFA 500. Okay. So I do the same thing for the phone number. So I can just grab it from here or just copy it. Then I paste it over here. Awesome. I publish it and go back under general. Now text color, I want to make it black, completely black. And then link color, I'll make it black as well. And finally, hover color, I enter my orange color, publish. Now let's customize the header section of our website. But before we do that, let's go ahead and create a logo for our e-commerce shop. So to do that, I open a new tab, then I go to logo maker. Take note, logo maker without an e.com, enter. I exit out of here. So in here, you can search for whatever icons or graphics you are looking for. So if you are into, let's say, real estate, enter. It will display some icons related to real estate. Now I want to create a logo for an e-commerce website and specifically for men's wear. So I'll search for suit, enter. Awesome. I have a bunch of suits to pick from. I think I like this, so I select it and I can drag and drop it anywhere I want. Then to add in a text, I'll just click on text, that is the T here. Then I enter Imacan, that is the name of my shop, and I can drag it to whatever location I want. I can align it by going to styles, left align, reposition it. Awesome. Now I can duplicate it, right click, duplicate. So I drag this here, then I change it to collections. So this, I can increase the size by going to options again, styles, then I toggle on fixed size, then I can drag to whatever size I want. I want it to be in line with collections. Okay. Now I take it up so that it will be in line with my suit here. Now I'll select both text, and I'll just align it in the middle of my suit. Awesome. Now use my right arrow keys to spacing it up. I'll change the color to black, so I'll just enter 000. Awesome. And then the suit itself, I change the color to FFA 500. That is my orange color I'm using on my e-commerce website. So my logo is created. I'll just go ahead and click on save. Now, do I want to download this for $19? No, I'll just download the low resolution. Then I click on OK. Let me go ahead and check my logo. Open folder. So I have my logo in here. I can rename it. All right. Now go back to logo maker. I exit out of here. Next thing I want to do is I'll delete the text by selecting it. I'll delete this as well. And then I want to use this as my fave icon. So I can just increase the size further. This is okay. Then I go to save. No thanks, download low resolution. Okay, it is saved. I rename it. So this is how we create logo using logo maker. Now let's go ahead and insert our logo and a fave icon right here. Fave icon is the shortcut icon you usually see on the tab of your web browser. So to do that, I go to header, then click on logo, select logo, upload files, select files. Then I go to the folder where I will locate my logo. It is right here, eMarketing logo. Open. Logo uploaded. The alt text, I want to enter eMarketing logo there. Select, skip cropping, and I can decrease the width. So let's see. Okay, I'll just make it 120. Perfect. Now I want to add the shortcut icon. So I go back, I go to site identity, then select site icon, upload files, select files, then I choose eMarketing fave icon, open. So I can make this eMarketing logo as well. Select, then I skip cropping. It is right there. I publish. Now let's customize the menu items. So to do that, I go back, then I go to header, menu, and then the link color, I make it black. Then go back, I want to make the text capital letters. So I go back, I go to typography, then main menu, transform, I choose uppercase. And then the font family, I choose Montserrat. Then font weight, I choose 500 or maybe 600. 600 is okay. Then I'll change the font weight for the top bar too. So I'll go back, top bar, font weight 500. Now change the font family to Montserrat. Now I go back. Now let's fix the search field. If you click on it, this is how it will pop up. I don't want it this way. I want it to open up and fill up the main menu area. For instance, if I go to the website, now if I search for something, for instance, suite, and hit enter. So instead of it searching for products, it will rather search it like a post. I don't want it like that. So I go back to customizer, then I go back to general options, then I go to general settings, going down, search page results. I want the source to be products. Perfect. Then I click on publish. So if I go back to it, then I search for suite, enter. So it will now come on a product page. Awesome. So I exit out of here. Now let's make our search field open up and fill the menu area. So I go back, I go to header, then menu, I scroll down and look for search icon style, replace header, publish. Now when you click on it, this is how it will appear. Perfect. Then finally, I want to increase the size of my cart icon. So I go back, then I select WooCommerce, then I go to menu cart, going down, choose this, and then I increase the size. 30 is cool. Awesome. And then I'll also center it vertically. So in here, I enter 10. Okay, 10 is too much. Maybe 8. Awesome. Then I publish. So that's it on customizing the header. Next, I want to change the font family for the blog post. So I go back, then I go to typography, body, the font family, I make it Montserrat, and then the color, I change it to black. Awesome. Update. Now let's fix the footer and then the copyright section. So I'll go to footer widgets, going down the background color, I paste in this color, E9, E9, E9. My links are not visible much, so I'll change the text color to black, and the border black as well, and then the link color, I make it black. Perfect. Now the heading of my widgets, so I'll fix it, go back, I go to typography, and then footer widget heading, I scroll down, I change the color to black, and then I go up, the weight, I make it 500, then transform, I change it to uppercase, then I publish. Finally, let's fix the copyright section. So I go back, so I go to footer bottom, remove OceanWP, then the background color, the text color, I change it to white. Awesome. Then I click on publish. So that's it on how to customize the footer section. Now let's do some final customizations. So first of all, I'll change the blue colors in here to my gold color. So in here you see the color right there. If you scroll down, you see it on the widgets. So to do that, I go to general options, then go to general styling, and the primary color, I enter FFA 500. You see that it has changed up there, and then hover primary color, I enter the same thing, FFA 500. Perfect. Publish. Now let me go to the blog page, even though I'm already there, so that we'll start it up. So I go back, I click on blog entries. Under blog style, I choose thumbnail. Awesome. Publish. Now let me go to the shop page, then I select any products. I want to customize the shop page. I want to make it full width. I don't want this sidebar, so I go back, WooCommerce, then go to single products, choose full width, publish. Now the wish list, let's make it a button. I want it to appear like a button, or when you go to the main shop page, it should appear like a button. All right, so to do that, I need to add some CSS, that is cascading style sheet. I will link it up in the description down below so that you can use it in your work. So to do that, I go back, under custom CSS, I paste it in here, and now when you hover, You see the background has changed to my orange color. Perfect, because that is the color you see in here, and the font color is white. So if I go to a single product page, I'll see the add to wish list having the same background color. Perfect. I publish. Now everything else is fine. So I exit out of here. Awesome. So that is it on doing the finishing touches.